Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone battery running fast issue after iOS 16.3 update. So guys, here are the some steps to try to resolve the fast battery draining issue on your iPhone after updating to iOS 16.3. So guys, first of all, close unused apps. So guys, swipe up to open the recent apps and close all the apps from the recent. And then after this, the next solution is adjust your brightness, reduce the brightness on your device to save battery. So for this, open control center and here's the button brightness option. So reduce your brightness to the low. So after this, the next solution is turn off background app refresh. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, go to general, tap on background app refresh here. So here is the background app refresh, tap to turn this off. So after turning this off, go back, and then after this, the next solution is turn off location services. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services and tap to turn this off. So after this, go back, and then the next solution is update your iPhone to the next iOS version if the update is available on your iPhone now. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update and wait for checking for update. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS another version. So for this, after this, go back, and then after this, the last solution is reset your iPhone settings without data delete. So for this, go to settings, general, scroll down, transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply reset all settings. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.